shit. What's up, ladies? Michaela here. Kind of here, not really here. Yeah. What's up, ladies? What's up, ladies? Michaela here, and we are gonna go ahead and make some chickpea patties, and we are gonna go ahead and try some green tea and blackberry concoction. I saw this on YouTube. Check her out. I have to review this. I want to see if it's as easy as she says it is. I'm not much of a cooker, as you guys can tell, so I thought I would be the perfect candidate to kind of see what's poppin'. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. Okay, so here are some of the ingredients that we need to make our patties. We need the chickpeas. We need the potatoes. We need the cumin. And we need an onion, and I already had onion, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grate this. And then we need some ginger. So let's go ahead and let's get that started. Okay, ladies, so I went ahead and I put all the ingredients together, everything that I showed you in the previous shots. I got the pepper, the salt. I put this on the fire. That's the ginger. The cumin, I put the cumin in there and I mixed it all up. And this is the potatoes and the chickpeas, and I'm making little cute little patties. Okay, ladies, this is adorable. I waited for it to cool down just a little bit because it is kind of hot, and you know, I don't want to sacrifice my skin over some food, so we're not going to burn. I'm not going to burn. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to make 3. And mine are not as small as the YouTuber that I'm referencing. But they're pretty big. Mine are more chunky. Probably need to be mashed just a little bit more. But this one's pretty good. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so yeah, we're just supposed to put these on the heat and just let them cook. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm not very organized yet with all of this. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they make it look so easy and perfect on the professional videos, but this review, I mean, this is a review. Okay, so let's do it vegan. I think that's her name. I can't remember at the top of my head, but I like her ingredient setup. I just, in terms of cooking technique and presenting technique, I just don't have it like her. But this is my very first cooking video, so do not judge me. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, leave me a comment, ask me, you know, to review a specific cook or a specific recipe, and let's see if this beginner girl can cook.
Everything's a dream. Just close your eyes and see. Close your eyes and see. Everything's a dream.
Okay, y'all. All right, so I cooked them and this is what they look like, and there is a sauce that I know that I could possibly make. I don't know. So basically you just get your Greek yogurt.
Everything's a dream. Close your eyes and see. Close your eyes and see. Everything's a dream. Just close your eyes and see.
Ooh, tastes really, really good. So mine are kind of falling apart, but they are good. I think I want to add some like pepper flakes. I like my food to have a little kick. And then with the yogurt, there's fire. Mm.
Close your eyes and see. Close your
Yeah.
eyes and see.
I do like the recipe. I do recommend her. In terms of presentation and cooking technique, your girl is still learning. She's learning. She's getting through it. Yeah. You know what they should call this? They should call this the breakup mend your heart healthy snack. Actually, this is really good though, ladies. You should try it. All right. Until next time, ladies.